Greetings viewers. If you subscribe now, you'll be able to watch our carefully crafted, thoroughly researched videos. At the conclusion of each video, I'll ask a question and you can respond in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. We present to you an exciting new buffalo chicken crust pizza recipe today. Ingredients: crust, 1 pound ground chicken breast, a 1/4 cup almond flour, a 1/4 cup grated parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon salt. Toppings: 1/2 cup buffalo sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup diced red onion, a 1/4 cup diced celery, a 1/4 cup crumbled blue cheese. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the ground chicken, almond flour, parmesan cheese, egg, garlic powder, oregano, and salt until well combined. Take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Using your hands, press the chicken mixture out into a large, thin circle on the baking sheet, making sure to leave a small border around the edges. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is cooked through and golden brown. Once the crust is cooked, take it out of the oven and spread the buffalo sauce over the top, leaving a little border around the edges. Sprinkle the mozzarella cheese, diced red onion, and diced celery over the top of the buffalo sauce. Place the pizza back in the oven and bake for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This recipe is a great option for those following a ketogenic diet, because it's low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats and protein. The crust is made with ground chicken breast, almond flour, and parmesan cheese, giving you a substantial amount of protein in every slice, with a delicious nutty flavor. The buffalo sauce provides a nice balance of tangy and spicy flavor, making it a perfect option for those who like a little heat in their pizza. The mozzarella, red onion, and celery provides added flavor and texture. Finally, topping it off with some crumbled blue cheese will give an extra taste of tangy and creaminess. It's important to note that the ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that can be difficult to maintain in the long term. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any drastic changes to your diet, and always monitor your nutrient intake to ensure you are getting all the necessary nutrients you need. What did you learn from today's recipe? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.